Nature's Giants by Pam Shiller. Earth is filled with wonders large and small, from tiny sea creatures to majestic mountains. But for me, it's Earth's giants that most enthrall. Giant animals, roaming on the land, flying in the air, swimming in the ocean. Magnificent. Giant rocks, rising from the sea, forming mountain peaks, standing on desert sand. Majestic. Giant trees, reaching for the sky, spreading mighty limbs, shading life below. Regal. Giant ice formations, stretching out of sight, floating on the sea, covering mountaintops. Splendid. Giant oceans, caressing the horizon, crashing to the shore, hiding life below. Powerful. Giant rivers, winding through the land, carrying transport, revealing beauty with every turn. Peaceful. Giant waterfalls, tumbling over rocks, dancing through the air, plunging to the ground. Resounding. Giant sun, lighting the day, shining through the trees, warming the earth. Royal. Giant moon, gliding across the sky, playing hide and seek, chasing the sun away. Mysterious. Huge, enormous, gigantic, and tall, magnificent, majestic, regal, splendid, powerful, peaceful, resounding, royal, and mysterious. Earth's giants, one and all.